Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I guess I have like an unboxing for you guys and also like a swap reveal. So I am part of Serena B's Patreon for the Happy Mail tier. So I get Happy Mail from her once a month. I just started, so this is only my second ever one. And the first one was kind of like an introductory one, which I think she does for everybody. So this is, I guess, like my real first one for the month. And on top of that, she hosted like a Valentine's Day pocket letter swap in her group for her Patreons. And so she randomly paired everybody with somebody else. So like my pocket letter that I created, she did like a poll of like what people wanted, Halloween or Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day. And so I chose Valentine's Day, and my partner that I was paired with had chosen Halloween. So for her, I created a Halloween pocket letter, and I sent that out. So I will link that video down below. But then the pocket letter I'm getting back, Serena B was actually my partner. So she just put everything in one package. So I'm going to show you guys what is in this, this box. So there is this little heart thing, and inside of here, oh my gosh, you got these cute little buttons. Look how cute they are. Got blue buttons and red buttons and pink buttons. There's two kinds of pink buttons, and then there's white buttons. Oh my gosh, they're so cute and perfect for Valentine's Day. What a cute little teeny box. So that was in my box. Then there's also, let me look at this. What is this? This is a roll of washi tape. It is just a floral design right here. I don't really use washi, but this might actually work for Mother's Day crafting. Here's an up close of what the pattern looks like. It's just a nice florals, and I like that it's like a minty and pinks. In this box, we also have this other little teeny box, which I think goes like this. It's like a little Chinese takeout container. So inside of here, hold on, let's see what we got. Inside of here we have, oh look how cute they are. These treats, these have to be treats, but look, you have like these little lips. They're like white and orange and red. Are these jelly beans? I don't know what these are, but I'm thinking it's a treat because she has it like wrapped up in this you know, like cellophane. So I'm thinking they are some kind of treats. I mean, the red ones look like fire hot candy. I don't know. Should I try one right now? Yes, I should. I hope this is candy, because if it's not, then I don't know. But I really want to try these fire hot looking things. Those are definitely hot. Those are exactly the candies I was thinking of. Alright, let me try one of these lips. I don't know what those lips taste like, but they're good. They're not spicy like the other ones, which is good. She included this little note that says, "I will be your Valentine." And she wrote, "Please enjoy this love mail. The Halloween card on it can be removed." I didn't want Halloween. I wanted Valentine's Day. So I'm really hoping it's a Valentine's Day. Okay, so here is this box of goodies. Okay, let's see. We're gonna open this up. I love how she's reusing packaging. This is a box from Tombow, USA. It's nice to reuse packaging, guys. Alright, ready? Okay. Ooh, I love shred. We're going to save that. I'm just going to put that back there while I'm going through everything. Oh, I have these little foam. They're like a very thin foam kind of hearts. I have some of those, so it's nice to have some more. I was just crafting with those the other day, actually. Shred. Never have too much shred. Save all the shred. Could always reuse it for Happy Mail. Then in here, I guess we got some goodies. Let's see, what do we have in here? She included some Pebbles heart stickers. These are really cute. They're like puffy stickers. Very nice. Oh no, I think there's one missing. Guys, there's one missing. Where did it go? You see it? It's missing. I don't know where it went. Then she also included these little plastic diamond things. These are great for shakers. They make so much noise, but they're great. What else do I have in here? Oh, these little heart gemmies. I think these might be from AliExpress. I have like one similar, but mine don't have adhesive on the back, so I don't know. Maybe she just attached them, but I'm not sure. So she included some light pink, pinker, and red, the hearts. Then we have these hot pink gemmies, which I love that they come in different sizes, and I don't have hot pink. This chipboard sticker that says love, and it's still sticky on the back, which is nice. But yeah, that's really nice. I really, really like that. That would have been good on one of my cards that I was making. I'm going to leave that on the side because I think I might want to use that. Okay, and that's it. That was in here. And wait, was this in here? This little acetate thing? Oh, wait, I think the love thing was supposed to be on there. Okay, now it's safe. All right. In here is another cute little heart box. And inside of this heart, we got more candy. Okay, so I'll put those aside with my other candies. And look at all the shred I still got. So fun. If I had to guess, I'm guessing this is the pocket letter. So I'm not even going to take off the ribbon because it's just really pretty. But what I will do is just untape that and slide the ribbon off. I like that she used washi tape. It allows you to reuse this, oh my god, adorable tissue paper if I don't go ripping it. Okay, I think this is the pocket letter. Alright, so let's look at it. Okay, so here is the pocket letter. Here she has a flower on the outside with a heart background that says hello darling. Here it says see good in all things, you go girl, with like a nice little tag. Oh, I could remove that. Look, it's just like, it's just in there. And I think same thing with this. Oh, I like how she didn't stick anything on. That's so nice. It's just like a whole bunch of goodies. Then there's this one that just has a whole bunch of like little heart gemmies. Oh, I did see this on her Instagram. I saw this part of it. I saw her post that and I was like, oh my gosh, I hope it's mine. Then she has this little sequin mix in here that is sealed together, and it has this cute little dark pink heart trim, which is very cute. And then it says hey girl. Down here it says adorable in like this big thingamabobby. And inside here it says love letter, sweetheart, and then you have like a little camera. When I turn this over, you have some more goodies here. So in this pocket she included some stickers. Here she has a sequin mix she gifted me. Oh, I love it. More hearts and some of that trim. Look, it's a light pink now. Where does she get all this? I have one actually, but mine's even different. Look. Mine looks like this. It's like a pale pink. But hers are very pretty. I like hers better. She included the stickers that are like little coffee and donuts. More of these heart gemmies. Then some of these heart gemmies as well. And then this one says read me. So I'm going to take out that note right here. And I'm going to read. I'm going to read this to you guys because Serena is like one of those people that really, I feel like, she really tries to uplift other people and spread positivity and everything. So I'm going to read it. It says, hey gorgeous, this is your daily reminder that you are beautiful, strong, and courageous. By the way, you know this already. Whatever pain you have in your heart will pass. All experience is for our highest good. Remember the strength you were born with. Never forget who you are. You are powerful and I think brave. The people in your life love you daily, and by loving yourself first, you know how to love them back. Very cute. She's just like a, I feel like she should be like a positive motivational speaker or something. So that is the pocket letter from the swap. I'm so excited to like dig into all of these goodies, guys. I wish I could like take these sequins apart. I love these sequins. Can I take you apart? No, she fuse tooled it back here, so I can't really take it apart. I mean, if I wanted to, I could really take the pocket letter apart, but it's just also just pretty, so we'll see. But I really do love that sequin mix, so I don't know. If I take it apart, I'm not telling you guys. But it is very pretty. So thank you, Serena, for sending me this gorgeous pocket letter. Okay, there's some more stuff in here. Oh, wait. Some stuff came falling out of my pocket letter. Okay. So there's some other stuff in here as well. Let me put this box aside. And then there's this goodie down here. What is this? Oh, how cute. Oh my goodness, I think this is the Happy Mail for the month. And she said you could remove the Halloween kind of thing. And it says, I'm in stitches over you. That actually looks very cute. It's very cute. And she used her, her digital collection, which is called Love Bites. So she does have a digital like paper collection with like some ephemera and stuff, which you guys will see in my pocket letter video when I was creating the pocket letter, because I was like, I don't know what Halloween is. And she told me she has a collection, so I got that. But she sent this cute little pocket. Oh, I love that trim too. Oh, and that's not trim, that's washi tape. That's gorgeous. I think that's washi tape. Maybe it's not. I don't know. But she said the card could be removed, which is nice in case I don't like it. Which is fine though, because I'm totally fine with it. But here you have, oh look, we have like these this like roses. They're on like a sticky back. And we have some of these hearts. I don't know where she gets all this stuff, but she's in Canada, so that's nice. You have like these foiled hearts. I actually think I might have just ordered some of these from Hobby Lobby today, literally. I was shopping on my way home from work because I needed more sequin mix because I just used mine up. I got these hearts as well. They're like puffy kind of hearts. Oh, I'm loving all this Valentine's Day goodness. I love Valentine's Day. Got these little cupcakes, XOXO strawberries, these little like chocolates. How cute is this? That's so adorable. And then these hearts as well. These are like chipboard hearts. They are red with like a pink glitter on top of them. Very pretty. This heart, which I'm about to put into my vase that I created for Valentine's Day. And then in here there's also, let me show you. There's more of these heart jemmies, so these red ones that I saw in my pocket letter, as well as some of these guys. Yay! So much goodness, so much love in this box. I love it all. I'm like obsessed with Valentine's Day. I love it. So all of this is amazing to me. So thank you to Serena for swapping with me and sending me this gorgeous pocket letter. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take some photos after this. And thank you for the Happy Mail for the month from your Patreon. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I shall see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.